बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says these questions given below consist of an assertion and reason. ठीक है? It consists of an assertion and reason. Use the following keys to choose the appropriate answer. So these are the answer, and here it is assertion and reason. So the assertion in this question is any disruption in the secondary and tertiary structure of protein is known as denaturation. So let's do the question. बच्चों native proteins, ठीक है? Native proteins have specific biological activity. Different proteins have a different biological activity, and when they are subjected to change in the temperature, temperature क्या होता है बच्चों? It's a physical change, or pH, that is a chemical change, and this change affects the hydrogen bonding. ये चेंज किसको इफेक्ट करता है? इट इफेक्ट्स द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग के रिजल्ट के वजह से द कॉन्फर्मेशन ऑफ पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन मेक सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है, प्रोटीन का सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी स्ट्रक्चर आर द रिजल्ट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, सो अगर just proteins are subjected to change in temperature and pH, and the hydrogen bonding is affected, if it is destroyed, ठीक है, then the secondary and tertiary structure of protein will be disrupted. This will be disrupt. ठीक है बच्चों, so disruption कौन से structure का होगा? It is only the secondary and tertiary structure, and this process is called denaturation, in which the protein loses the biological activity. This is called denaturation, and it affects the biological activity. The biological activity of native protein is lost. Now, in the denaturation, the primary structure क्या होता है बच्चों? It is the sequence of the amino acid. ठीक है, sequence of amino acid is called primary structure, and amino acids are linked by peptide bond. यहाँ पे क्या है? The bond is peptide bond, and this is not affected. The peptide bond is not affected by temperature and pH. Peptide bond क्या होता है बच्चों? pH and temperature से इफेक्ट नहीं होता. Therefore, denaturation से primary structure of the protein is not affected. ठीक है बच्चों, so abrupt change in the temperature and pH cause changes in the primary structure of protein. So this is incorrect. ये आपका incorrect है. Okay, because the primary structure is intact during the denaturation process. Only the secondary and tertiary structure will be affected, which are the result of hydrogen bonding. ठीक है, so here the correct answer is assertion is correct, but the reason is incorrect. So आपका यहाँ पे option C, where if A is correct but R is incorrect, option C is the answer. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.